So friend, this is a Category Manager Part 3 and watch my previous video Part 1, Part 2 and what is a current Category Manager, what is a Category Manager in for different type systems working and what is a need network. So first watch my Category Manager Part 1, Part 2 because this is very important for you and you maybe not understand this Category Manager Part 3, that means you are not watching my previous video. So this is a very important for your system configuration, system networking systems and connection to between PCs. So this is a calendar manager part 3 and continue this my last previous video part calendar manager 2. So this is important for you because my all video part was here and you can more understand this calendar manager in this calendar manager part 3 here. So lot of videos available in calendar playlist. All of my video part was here and other playlist available in my YouTube channel just like Facebook, Twitter, Gmails and technical tips, Windows 7, Windows 7, 8, Windows 8.1 and how many type install of the systems and different type techniques available in my this YouTube channel. So you can more increase your knowledge in computer field, IT field. So let's start in using Creative Manager Part 3. So I'm continuing these my settings last my previous video Creative Manager Part 2. So watch my previous video. So let's start here. So any personal and any other information of your company data in company environment. So company environment this type already set and folder and files here by department too, just like uh, selling department continue work with account department, purchase department working with completely your account department. So purchase department, selling department, that means two department part of your account department here. So you can see just here. So this is I'm just showing here big company working with one by one connect other your groups users and groups sharing files and import file export file. Computer design engineer department this my Windows 10 here you can see, and I will receive Windows 7 partition, Windows 7 operating system partition. Click on network and I'm give name PC1. This is my name, my computer name, and PC2 means my computer. You can see just my again showing, but not. I'm already these information username password stored in only Windows 7, but not storing in the username password store these username password in my Windows 10 here. So you can see just here I will this save, but before I'm just showing you and you save these username password. So first click create time management, my network and anything. So first opposite your username and password here, click on here this create. This is important here, you must click on here and that time create time manager work here. So first I'm just showing you a create time manager in Windows 10. So you can see just my web credential and window credential. That means web credential means your you using website, your web application. So web application you must enter username password. So username password you store, you store your in company, your some company you use application server in application you must enter username password. So this web credential you automatically store in your computer web credential here. So this is very important for some computer not completely directly access other company or other computer here. So this is a web credential. In window credential this is a 7 Windows 7 available, but not available web credential in Windows 7. So this is my completely not storing information in anything, and you can see just here, click on here and you can see just here this is credential again my, so this is a, you must enter in this okay, that means open my all of my data of Windows 7, and you can see just my partition name of data. So just first click on, and I will show you how can we using a systems here. So first you can see just here, so this is a system of your computer, and this open my all of our data here. You can see just here my different type data network of system. So, and you can see my Windows 7 all of data showing here. So that means in I'm just connect two computer in my network, but company, big company, 500 250 115 anything, and depend on employees, so thousand of network maybe. So I'm just playing this video. So this video data available in my Windows 7 only, not available in Windows 10, but I'm access network by this data of our network data here, sharing data. So you can see just here I can copy here, I can move here. So you can see, so you can see here just, so I'm already just telling you because this is all of sharing file here, and this file I can copy here, but I cannot cut here, I cannot changing here, because this is a security of your computer. And maybe I'm start here, start this in this system here. So this not allow, this not give me permission here. You can see just here, I'm just showing you this is because other computer already create this file, and your company, so company how can create, how can use this type systems here. So this time just save, and you can see just I will showing you access denied. Access denied means this not give me permission of this network. So how can this company work here. So I'm just showing you, this is my designer anything design, and on any document here. So first employee complete working here, so second employee, and going other step here, new step here. So this is a very information sharing, receiving, and using here. So you want to change anything, or you want to change any information in your file, so first you copy, and copying in after place other your locations here. So maybe sometime your network down, so network down, your server down, so you cannot connect other computer. So this time not using username password. So you can see just here, this is a very important for network communication of your other your company in your other your systems here. So company engineer department first create a local shape, and second employee create shape with other material how using here with, and then after third employee create so this time automatically not directly sharing here, one employee sharing a second this type login and receiving file here, and third is receiving file this type here. But file data automatically completely not directly complete by your system through, and you can add information more to more, and you can copy here and other your discussions here. So that means company all of a network working not directly, working with group, and you're sharing folder and files here. So this is a very important. And second important is the server. Sir, I mean, how your server you install, how your system install in your network here. So maybe your server down, your network down, that means you're not directly open your file and folder anything. Just I'm give example for this data here, you can see just here. So this is a very system showing here. Okay, so maybe you open anything, your system, your files, anything, folders. So this is my all of my data of photos, my Windows 7, you can see here. This is my all of Windows 7 my folders in I'm already saved in Windows 7, but I'm received by Windows 10. You can see just here. So this is a Creator Manager. You work with only for uh, network and network username save only, not again to again save again to again login you disturb interrupt here. So this is a very important of your computer, sharing file, receive file, anything. So you can see this PC here, right click manage, and I'm just showing you. So this is yeah, this is a share folder, and you any share folder you can see just here completely all of them. So this is my not sharing folder. This is my username and group. So user and group all of you can see just here. So this is all of user only, and you can find and you can add your, I will discuss in some video, but I'm just showing you this member of my computer. How can we create a member in your computer? What is the member? What is using a member of a systems here? You can see just here. So any your computer you receive of your computer, so you must add in your username password, and without username password you cannot directly access here. And this is a very using for sharing file receive with information, all of or not need third party, not need your other your systems here. You can see just here. So network communication in your very important for, you can see just you cannot directly delete and pay cut paste, you cannot move, only you copy here and watch here, read only. So these depend on only network administrator and how give permission here. So I'm give only receive and read only permission. So these file receive and because some file your opposite your any person delete your file, delete your main computer file. So this is a very bad sometime. Yeah. So you can see just PC2 date means my Windows 7, PC1 means my Windows 10. So this my PC1 in showing how how many type how many type I'm share these files and folders here. So this is showing why PC1 in my computer, because you share your starting first time. So completely this showing how many type sharing your data, how many type share your folders and files in network communication. So first you're showing your data in your PC1. You can see your name. So not give only PC name, maybe anything name, your any man woman name in your PC. So you can see PC2 is my other computer, other employee here. So you can just understand this tab here. So I'm other employee, I'm receive these files and folders, anything. So this is a very important and very important systems here. Okay, so these are showing me all of information of other computer, but I cannot no, I cannot delete, I cannot move, I cannot change anything. Okay, so this is a very important here. Okay, so computer in showing all different folders and files here, you can see just here. And this is a document of my computer in my already share here. Okay, so you can copy and paste other partition other your data, and you can change, you can modify, you can write here, but not this network here. You see. Okay, so you copy data and your store other your folder, anything right. So this is a very important of your component data, and network engineer always create a group and group with user. So how many type group create, how many type using the system, I will discuss. You can see just I'm trying delete but not give me success this deletes here. Okay, because not give me permission, and I'm not this set on so this permission how can manage this windows manage Windows 7 because I'm give permission this all of data Windows 7 by operating system, and this receive my network through by PC to me PC to Windows 7, and I receive my this operating system Windows 10. So I'm give permission in this data all of Windows 7 in not only read and only your copy only. So that means you can not anything changing in fold in anything files and folders anything. You not create anything. So you can see just copy here, and you can see just here, and maybe in case your computer shut down other your computer, you cannot start not no you cannot receive here. So you must start your computer to computer and communication in your systems. In that time you can receive here. Without start your computer, you may be power off, you may be shut off, so you cannot receive file this type here because your signal you receiving systems not receive signals your other computer here, you share systems here. So this is a very important treat of your computer network communication network and center option complete. And third, your power on your two computer in this computer network communication with other computer here. Okay, so I'm copy here this data my Windows 7 and I can change here and going again network, going open this file here. I'm shared by this Windows 7 and Creator Manager. So you can see just here I cannot directly so these are store already in Windows 7, but I can now store in my system. I cannot changing anything name here, not changing anything name here because not permission give me it. And this is a very security for your computer document. Maybe your some bad behavior type man, woman, and employee. You delete your file, delete your folder, and change folder anything. This reason this give security of your network sharing center and network communication with sharing your data in network. So this reason this give read permission only, and second receive file and folder only. So this is a very important. You can change, but I think I like only this type security here because this security always give backup systems, and maybe in case in your system you delete your files folder, so you can receive again this by network through. So two computer maybe in login in your network, but two or more maybe more computer in already login and already network in your systems here. So any type you're using a website and a web application. So web creator is a application only online application username password you are using here. So this username and password, and you can see this web Windows creator, that means your any how many type your username password using here. So you can see just here this is one user. I can using other computer three user and user enter. I can add 5 users, but I want need lot of computer here, but I have only 2 computer only. Okay, you can see just here, and this is a very important of my computer data here. You can see just here. So this is a very important for my computer and computer communication network here. You can see just here PC2 the my Windows 7 and PC1 is my Windows 10. So I can receive this Windows 7 to PC Windows 10. Okay, so you can change anything. So you can see just here this credential in my password and username receive. So complete my credential topic here. Next time I will discuss date and time you know about, but date and time these are not simple here. Additional features, additional systems here I will discuss in my control panel series here. You must watch my previous video one by one part wise, not directly you start, because part wise you understand, so that means your system start here. So time and date, what is the current what is the UTG and what is the time and data. So this is a very important for. So thanks for watching my video and in this all of control panel series. So thanks for watching my video.